All right, here it is. The unveiling. You get the idea. So, this is next on the list. Fluid film. This will be sprayed all inside, everywhere inside the frame to prevent rust. And I bought this tool to do it. Little spray nozzle. Now it's focusing on me. Anyways, there's little holes on the end there for the fluid to go through sideways. So when I shove this in the frame, like so, I can shove it and spray it, and it's going to get all inside, all around, and I'm going to do the whole frame. So that's next on the list. Then the frame's ready for assembly.